To install Python on your computer, the first thing you need to do is navigate to www.python.org. When you've loaded the web page, you just need to click on the Downloads button. And then you've got a choice to make on whether you want to install a specific version of Python, in which case you click on the relevant button down here. And then you just need to scroll down and look for the correct installer file, whether you are on a Mac or on Windows. And again, you might need to pick between 32-bit or 64-bit, depending on your computer. If you're unsure, if you go back, the button at the top will always install the latest version of Python, and it will gather what information it can about your system and should pick the right file for you. So if you click download Python at the top, you can see for me, it should have downloaded the 64-bit version of Windows, which it has. Once you've done that, a box like this will pop up. I would advise you to tick the Add Python 3.10 to Path box. The reasons for this will become clearer later, but it allows us to do things where we can install packages through command prompt and things. Once you've ticked that, I would click Install Now. The process starts and it might take somewhere between 30 and 60 seconds. It looks like it's going really fast, but it would usually slow up a little bit at the end. And once that's installed, that's all you've got to do. So I technically now have Python 3.10.5 installed on my computer. So in the next video, I'll show you how to install an IDE. And with that IDE, we can start programming in Python.